in 2020 we acquired Panasonic Semiconductors. So with that our portfolio increased manifold. We got into automotive and also other industrial domains. So now Nuvoton has a very big product portfolio.
What is your opinion about the Indian semiconductor market?
Yeah, I think I've seen the change which we can really witness from last 5 years especially. We are on the rapid growth path now. A lot of policy changes are happening, and I think there is a lot of scope for electronics manufacturing to open up in India.
Any specific focus segment or product for you, sir? How do you manage the supply chain of Nuvoton?
Nuvoton has been predominantly doing the manufacturing in Taiwan, and I think post-COVID we shifted most of the packaging also in Taiwan. So our global focus is also increasing. So accordingly, I think our supply chain is quite good. So 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗃 is our very old distributor. I think I see a lot of changes in 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗃, especially with Shivang coming in picture. So I think we can see good synergy to work with 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗃 in future.
Good morning. I welcome you to the podcast of 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗃 Electro, and we'll just have some chip chat. We have with us Mr. Jitendra Patil. He's the president for Nuvoton. So I welcome you, sir, and we can start with the introduction of Nuvoton.
Thanks for your invite. So we are Nuvoton Technology, and we are a Taiwanese company. We are a spin-off company from 𝗰𝗵𝗶𝗃. Basically, we moved out of 𝗰𝗵𝗃 in 2008 to focus more on logic ICs, and that's how our journey started to bring more and more MCUs, and we work very closely with ARM. I think till 2020 we work more on the building new MCUs for the domain, and we also have very good product line in servers and motherboard PC applications, right? And in 2020 we acquired Panasonic Semiconductors. So with that our portfolio increased manifold. We got into automotive and also other industrial domains. So we got into BMICs, we got into cluster ICs, and we also have very high-end technology, very small MOSFETs which can go into wearables, and we also have laser diodes which can go into various applications. So now Nuvoton has a very big product portfolio, right from the very small MCUs to a very big time-of-flight sensors kind of products, highly technological products. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have presence in now Taiwan and Japan as the product development centers for us. Right.
So, sir, what is your opinion about the Indian semiconductor market?
Yeah, I think me being in India for last 28 years in this industry, I've seen the change which we can really witness from last 5 years especially. We are on the rapid growth path now. A lot of policy changes are happening, and I think there is a lot of scope for electronics manufacturing to open up in India. Currently we are waiting for that to happen, but I think we are on the right path.
Yeah, even
So
the
the
government
manufacturing,
policies.
yes. So government is doing the right thing. Like we are opening up for the semiconductor manufacturing as well as some passives and other PCB manufacturing, and that is basically required for the opening big way the manufacturing sector. So I think it's going hand in hand. So I think nothing is going to stop India from growing in this domain certainly.
Okay. So, any specific focus segment or product for you, sir? Like what?
Okay, so I think for India, energy has been always a very important segment. And to give you specific information about India's plan, right? So we are progressing towards renewable energy, and I think our PM is driving this, objective that our dependency on traditional sources like thermal power plant and those things should be going down. So currently, I think our total capacity of power generation is 476 gigawatt, and out of that 50% is thermal, and close to I think 11-12% is solar.
All right. Yeah.
And the objective is that 50% of the requirement should be renewable. So it includes solar, then maybe nuclear, then maybe hydro, a lot of other things. But then solar has a tremendous potential to grow.
Okay.
So solar is going to definitely grow very well.
Definitely grow, sir. Right. Even the government
example,
policies again for
Yes,
the renewable
yes.
energy.
For example, last year the solar power capacity was increased to close to 24 gigawatt
Okay.
in within just 1 year. So you can imagine the potential what it has.
It's
to
a
grow
very
it
quick
faster.
growth
Yes.
for this segment. Sir. Right.
And especially because India has a very good sunlight throughout the year. In fact, we
Yes,
have the hottest regions like
that's the
Delhi,
benefit,
and
yes, yes.
I think most of the parts get very good sunlight at least for 300 days.
Yeah,
So with that, I think our solar power is also going to go very well.
right, sir. Sir, so your comments on the supply chain. How do you manage the supply chain of Nuvoton?
Okay.
Yeah.
So Nuvoton has been predominantly doing the manufacturing in Taiwan, and I think we work very closely with TSMC. They are our wafer partners, and I think post-COVID we shifted most of the packaging also in Taiwan. So I think because everything is in Taiwan, we are able to manage the supply chain very well,
Okay.
and we are now probably expanding in China for China, and maybe like so that is a different strategy for China region. But our global focus is also increasing. So accordingly, I think our supply chain is quite good.
All right. Okay. So, any customer success stories that you would like to share with us, sir, on this platform?
I think there are many success stories. I think
many
with
stories.
Ramakrishna also we have many success stories.
Okay.
We have entered into a lot of different domains. We are into automotive, we are into industrial, we are into power management applications. So I think most of the applications we are able to now enter. We are coming in a big way into solar applications as well.
Okay, that's great, sir. And last but not the least, your feedback about Ramakrishna. So we as a distributor,
Yes.
so we would like.
So Ramakrishna is our very old distributor.
Yes.
I think the very first distributor when I started operations in India in 2013, only Ramakrishna was there. So we are our oldest partner, and I think that relationship goes back to 𝗰𝗵𝗶𝗃 days. So because you were also distributor for 𝗰𝗵𝗃, so when it became like we started Nuvoton, obviously
Yes.
Ramakrishna was our first choice.
Hmm.
So our relationship is pretty old, and I see a lot of changes in Ramakrishna, especially with Shivang coming in picture. So there is a lot of new initiatives what he is taking. He is dynamic, and he is also taking interest into what vendor wants for the market development. So I think Ramakrishna is doing very well in the upcoming and sunshine areas of application. So I think we can see a good synergy to work with Ramakrishna in future.
Yeah, and
That's
sir, like honestly, with a young energetic MD like Shivangji,
Yes.
we are really very motivated to do
Correct,
well in
correct.
the coming time as well.
Correct.
So thank you so much for the time, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Alka. Thank you.